How do you downgrade from the latest iOS 18.4 update down to iOS 18.3? So in order to downgrade your iPhone, these steps will be pretty easy. And the first thing you want to do is start off by going into Settings. Then go up to your profile at the top and scroll down to where it says iCloud and press on that. Then make sure that all of your apps here are saved into iCloud. So just go ahead and turn all of these on. And this will be especially important for photos. So make sure that iCloud photos are turned on. And when you do this, you'll be able to save all of your information when you downgrade back to iOS 18.3. Now, anything that's not saved through iCloud will be erased on your iPhone. So this includes all of your iPhone's customization. So your wallpaper and all of the other settings that you've enabled on your iPhone will be erased when you downgrade back to iOS 18.3. So now that you've done that, the next step will be to connect your iPhone to your computer. And you can do this using the iPhone's charging cable. Then go ahead and log on to your computer. And on your computer, open your web browser. Then on your web browser, type in ipsw.me and select iPhone. And if you're using an iPad, select iPad and select your specific iPhone model. So I'm using the iPhone 12 mini, so I'll be selecting that. And just go ahead and select iOS 18.3.1 and press on download. Then press on save. And while we're waiting for that to download, we're gonna head onto the phone. Then head into settings and press on your profile at the top. And on your profile, press on Find My. Press on Find My iPhone and make sure that Find My iPhone is turned off. Now once that's been downloaded, this next step will be different depending on if you're on a Windows or a Mac computer. So if you're on a Windows computer, you'll have to go into the Microsoft Store and just type in iTunes. And just go ahead and download the iTunes app off the Microsoft Store. Then when you open iTunes, you'll have to go through the setup screen and press on this button at the top left corner. So just go into iTunes, go through the setup screen and press on this button on the top left corner. Now for Mac users, this step will be different. You'll have to just go into the Finder app, then press on your device at the side of the window, press on Trust. Then this next step will be different depending on if you're a Mac or a Windows computer. So on the Mac computer, hold down on the Option key and press on Restore iPhone. And on a Windows computer, instead of pressing down on the Option key, you'll have to hold down on the Shift key and press on Restore iPhone. Then scroll down to this file over here that you just downloaded and press on Open. And just go ahead and press on Restore. And now your iPhone will be downgrading back to iOS 18.3. Now that your iPhone has been downgraded, you can check that it's on iOS 18.3 by going into Settings, then down to General, and press on About, and it'll tell you over here the iOS version that your iPhone's on. Now that's basically it for this video. I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for any video suggestions that you might have.